Right, James Braithwaite here again. This time I'm cleaning out with my car with a very powerful Karcher vacuum that we've managed to find in the junk outside my parents' place in their garage. And as you can see, I replaced my old spare wheel with one that matches the rest, a Penta. I did this a while back. I mean, it's been on a couple of times because I had a couple of punctures. Look, as you can see, it's certainly coming up alright.
Your mother's mixing some soda crystals to sort out the diesel and oil stains in the boot.
That's why I had to replace the back seat a while back with this SRI seat. It's looking pretty good. I mean, here's open, it's stacked up alright. As I've said before, some people air their dirty laundry out in public. I clean my dirty Astra out in public. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now then. Just one last look. And there we have it.